Hey, big dog, roll your window down. Turn that car off for me, too. You had one bell.
Huh?
You just left?
Go left.
Control 6Q1, I had one bell heading southbound on Carpenter.
Northbound, go.
Correction, northbound on Carpenter. Yeah, I know.
District Adam 7, control, can you advise?
Yeah, conditions are met. You are clear.
He missed it. He's in the pit.
Yeah, he is. It's time to do it.
Yes, one. How many guys do we have in there?
So do the stop at Finch. We're now eastbound Finch. Correction, westbound.
Get him, get him.
Westbound on Finch, that's when we have approximately 10 units.
There it is, pit.
Pit.
Copy, pit.
Triangulate on him. Watch out for your partner. There's all these kids in there.
Yes, one. He's going backwards right now.
Watch out.
Copy, going backward.
Watch out, he's gonna crash. He's gonna lose it. Let Z get up in there. Boxman. Shots fired.
Shots fired.
Whoa.
120.
Get him out. First aid.
Give me a trauma kit.
Trauma kit.
Get up in there.
Look closely in the lower right of your screen and you will see Mann's car driving in reverse, hitting the curb, then accelerating forward toward Deputy Zazueta, who is off camera. You hear the sound of gunshots and FTO Stanley say, "Shots fired."